Hi, this is Alicia McDaniel from artforthecreativesoul.com here with a very quick and easy paper flower bracelet just in time for Mother's Day or for spring. So what I used was a paper towel tube. I cut 1.5 centimeters of it and then opened the end. I wrapped the tube with silver washi tape. I put a little glue on the ends and wrapped it around so that it'll stay in place. That's for the bracelet. And then for the flower, I'm just using a white paper cupcake liner. Now, if you don't have a cupcake liner, you can just cut a circle from a piece of white copy paper or any color construction paper. I'm now using permanent markers to color the center of it. You can use whatever colors you like, and you can also use water-based markers or color pencils if you have those. So after I color the center of this cupcake liner, I am going to fold it in half once, and then I'm going to fold it in half a second time, and then I'm going to cut the white end of it in a wavy motion, and then I'm going to cut the opposite end of it, just a little snip there. And now I have a flower, but I want the leaves to look a little bit more three-dimensional, so I'm going to cut them into parts. I'm cutting them into 4 parts. And then I'm going to take a little bit of liquid glue on the end of that Q-tip there and overlap the 4 petals that I've cut out. Now, I could have cut more. I could have made them smaller. I could have made 5. And I'm also going to do a little bit more coloring and cutting just to make it look a little bit more like a flower. And once I get the flower looking the way that I want it to look, I am going to embellish the center of it with some paper gemstones. And then I'm going to put some liquid glue on that silver bracelet that I made and attach my flower. Quick and easy. Make sure to visit artforthecreativesoul.com to find more art lessons and resources and tips that'll be great for spring and for Mother's Day. Thanks for watching.